In this video, I'll show you how to connect a wallet to Opensea. First, open your web browser and go to the Opensea website. Click Login in the top right corner to begin connecting your wallet. Now, choose the wallet you want to use, such as MetaMask, Coinbase Wallet, Trust Wallet, or another supported option. Click on your preferred wallet to continue. Next, your wallet will open and ask you to approve the connection. Review the request carefully, then click Connect or Approve. If you're using a mobile wallet, you may need to scan a QR code or confirm the connection in your wallet app. After that, return to the Opensea website. Your wallet address or profile icon should now appear, confirming that your wallet has been connected successfully. Now, you're ready to use Opensea. You can browse NFTs, buy and sell NFTs, create listings, or manage your profile using your connected wallet. Finally, when you're finished, you can disconnect your wallet by opening the wallet menu and selecting the disconnect option if you no longer want the wallet connected on that device. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to connect a wallet to Opensea. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.